In the following video, the preparation of a Clobetasol propionate solution in colorless nail polish for the treatment of nail psoriasis is described. Clobetasol propionate at 8% in a colorless nail polish container, sufficient quantity for 10 grams. The final formula for the prescribed diagrams would be Clobetasol propionate 0.8 grams, colorless nail polish base 9.2 grams. It is essential that the formulation is packaged in an amber glass bottle equipped with a spatula or brush to facilitate application on the nails. Weigh the Clobetasol previously reduced to a fine powder. Weigh the nail polish base in the final dispensing container. Add the previously weighed Clobetasol propionate. Stir with a glass rod until completely dissolved. Final formula ready for packaging and labeling.